Chris from Attraction Source here, and once again we're back at Legoland Windsor on the construction site of Minifigure Speedway. We're actually in the station, and since our last update where we saw Roxy, the world's biggest minifigure, the trains are now on the track behind me. So we have Legends versus All Stars. The trains look absolutely awesome. So let's take a look around the rest of the area. Since our last update, the track layout has been completed of this Sierra dueling reverse coaster. The billboard has received its graphics, including a big slogan saying the race is on, and the station has received cladding and extra graphics on the side. The coaster's tested for the first time on Saturday morning successfully, so from this point it's now a case of commissioning and further testing between Sierra, the manufacturer, and Legoland Windsor before it's handed over to the rides team for training up until the opening. The team here at Legoland Windsor have been hard at work installing the queue line, the paving and the landscaping, which has also commenced, ready for the ride to open in a few weeks' time. We hope you've enjoyed our coverage here today at Legoland Windsor. Minifigure Speedway is looking fantastic, and we cannot wait to ride it on the 29th of March in just a few weeks' time. So stay tuned to Attraction Source, where we'll continue to cover the project on opening day, and we'll hopefully see you on the park.